Today we are at Langkawi. Okay, this is the airport.
Yeah.
Alright, and it's a very fast flight for us. It's just about, I think, one and a half hours. Okay, and right now we're going to look for our car rental guy. Okay, so let's go. First night we are having our dinner, okay, at this place. Okay, they say they serve, we read from the internet, okay, they serve the best fish and chips with a lot of reviews and all this, and now we're at the place, we're waiting for our food, and the food has just arrived. Alright, and as you can see, there's a lot of people over here, and the key thing about this place is check out the view, guys. There's a bit of overexposure. That's the sunset. We'll be watching that in a while. Right, so our food is here. Let's eat.